Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. Drinking cloves water at night can offer several potential health benefits due to the rich array of compounds found in cloves. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the clove tree, Syzygium aromaticum, and have been valued for their medicinal properties for centuries. Here are 15 health benefits associated with consuming cloves water before bedtime. Number 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in cloves have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, and incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like cloves may offer benefits. Number 3. Digestive support. Cloves are known for their digestive benefits. Drinking clove water at night may help alleviate indigestion, bloating, and other digestive discomforts, promoting a more comfortable sleep. Number 4. Oral health. Cloves possess natural antibacterial and antiseptic properties that can benefit oral health. Clove water may help fight bacteria in the mouth, contributing to fresher breath and improved dental hygiene. Number 5. Improved sleep quality. Some people find the aroma of cloves to be calming and soothing. Drinking clove water before bedtime may help relax the mind and body, potentially contributing to better sleep quality. Number 6. Blood sugar regulation. Preliminary research suggests that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels. This could be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood glucose levels. Number 7. Pain relief. Cloves have been traditionally used for their analgesic, pain-relieving properties. Consuming clove water may provide relief from minor aches and pains. Number 8. Respiratory health. The compounds in cloves, including eugenol, have been associated with respiratory benefits. Clove water may have a soothing effect on the respiratory system, potentially providing relief from coughs and congestion. Number 9. Rich in essential nutrients. Cloves contain essential nutrients such as vitamins, including vitamin C, and minerals, including manganese and magnesium, contributing to overall health and well-being. Number 10. Heart health. Some studies suggest that cloves may have cardiovascular benefits, including the potential to lower blood pressure and improve heart health markers. Number 11. Antimicrobial effects. Cloves have natural antimicrobial properties that can help the body defend against infections and harmful microorganisms. Number 12. Improved cognitive function. The antioxidants in cloves may have neuroprotective effects, potentially supporting cognitive function and protecting against age-related cognitive decline. Number 13. Menstrual pain relief. Cloves have been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual pain and discomfort. Drinking clove water may offer relief from menstrual cramps. Number 14. Weight management. Some research suggests that cloves may have a role in weight management by influencing metabolism and promoting fat loss. Number 15. Stress reduction. The calming properties of cloves may contribute to stress reduction, making clove water a soothing beverage before bedtime. While cloves water at night can provide these potential health benefits, it's essential to consume them in moderation. Excessive intake may lead to adverse effects. Additionally, individual responses to foods and herbs can vary, so it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns or conditions before making significant changes to your diet.